Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and immediately signing into the Google account tied to your channel. Type your email, enter your password, and complete any two-step verification prompts. This secures access. Once signed in, make sure the active Chrome profile is the one with your channel, because Chrome can switch accounts silently. If you already use multiple profiles, switch now so YouTube Studio opens in the correct workspace and retains your channel settings. With Chrome and the right account ready, go to YouTube by clicking the app grid or visiting YouTube directly. Once on YouTube, click your profile icon at the top right and choose YouTube Studio. This routes you to the dashboard that manages videos, analytics, and comments. If you prefer speed, type Studio. YouTube. Com into the address bar and press Enter. That bypasses extra clicks. Make sure the URL shows Studio. YouTube. Com so you know you're in the official studio, and finish by checking the channel switcher at the top left of Studio to ensure your channel is selected. Change it if a brand account appears. If Studio won't load or elements are missing, clear Chrome's cache and disable extensions temporarily, because extensions often interfere with scripts. Once done, reload the page. If problems persist, open an incognito window and sign in. This isolates extension and cache problems and helps you confirm whether the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.